For the carburetor, you can take your original carburetor, buy yourself a rebuild kit, and rebuild your original carburetor. If you don't want to do that, you can buy a completely rebuilt carburetor from Jeepster Man and just bolt it on. If you don't want to do that, maybe you want something a little more performance oriented, you can jump up to this Weber 2-barrel conversion. Now this bolts right in place of those Rochesters and even has its own special air cleaner. So out of the three, this is the route that we're going to go. But we will keep our original carburetor just in case we ever want to take it back original, which I'm sure we won't. Now, just because this is a bolt-on carburetor does not mean it's a bolt-on deal. Check this out. You're going to need all these extra parts. You're going to need another throttle cable. You're going to need a fuel filter. You're going to need a fuel pressure regulator and all kinds of hoses and fittings to make this fit. So bear that in mind when you're doing this kind of conversion.